In this video, I'll show you how to pause notifications in Slack so you can focus or take a break without constant alerts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick productivity tips. Start by opening Slack on your browser or desktop app and log in with your email, Google, or Apple account. Once inside, select the workspace where you want to manage notifications. Look at the bottom left corner of Slack and click your profile photo. From the menu, choose Pause Notifications. Here, you will see several preset options, like pausing for 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even the rest of the day. If you need something more specific, select a custom option and set the exact time that works best for you. Once you've chosen, Slack will pause all notifications until your set time expires, and that's it. You've successfully paused notifications in Slack, giving yourself the freedom to stay focused and distraction free. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple guides.